Hi, my name is Aidan Alazzo. I'm a first year in Matthews, planning on studying neuroscience and CS.
Hi, I am Yakeem Johnson. I'm also a first year in Matthews. I plan on studying applied mathematics and economics, and this is our project, ZeroFlow. We built our project on React and Next.js. Why can I not? There we go. So when we want to run it, we have to do npm run dev. When you open the app, it'll give you this nice splash screen. You have to create an account, and we'll be back after we do so. After we input our necessary values into the registration page, we have Jonathan Doe. We entered his nickname, which is John, and then you just put in your body biometrics, and if you wanted to, you can use the metric system. Once you create your account, you are brought back to our beautiful login page that has this nice little cursor following background. Log in. Once you're brought to the dashboard, since we entered a preferred name, it'll greet us as such. Here's his daily calories overview. It just shows you the calories he wants to eat, the amount of calories he should eat this day, and all of his macros that follow. We're going to go ahead and log a food for John. On this Sunday, John took a trip to Burger King and decided to have 2 Whoppers, and he frequents Burger King, so we're going to go ahead and save it as a favorite for future reference. And then when you log it, it automatically updates all of his metrics, as he has now consumed 15% of his recommended calories. And if we wanted to go in, let's say he accidentally didn't mean to put 2 and he only had 1, you can go ahead and save it and it will update just as such.
The other main part of this application to help people hit their goals is the ability to log workouts. So as you can see down here in this widget, which we specifically designed this whole layout to be UX oriented, it's really easy to use. You can see your weekly schedule and also how long you've worked out each day. You can go here and click log workout. So I've gone ahead and filled out some rudimentary information for John here, and we're going to go ahead and click Save Workout. And once he saves the workout, it'll say how many calories he's burned, and it'll put the fact that he worked out through his weekly schedule. If you would like to see a better summary of his entire week, he can go ahead and click on these hamburger menu, click on Summary, and he can see his whole week at a glance. It's kind of like a Spotify Wrapped-esque page, and he can check all of his macros very quickly and everything in a very easy to access way. And also, finally, if he'd like to edit any information about himself, maybe he's gained weight, maybe he's gone a little bit taller, or maybe he's changed his goals, he can go here and change everything through the settings page.